Hi, hello, welcome. This is Praveen. We are going to see an application in Springboot which is going to connect to LLM which is running locally in Ollama. Here I'm going to use the DeepSeek as my LLM. So I already downloaded Ollama and DeepSeek. So let me show. So this is the DeepSeek model currently stored in my device. I'm going to run this now. Llama run DeepSeek hyphen R1. So once I do that, it started locally. So hello, it will give me a response in local. So currently I'm going to connect the same model using Spring Boot application. So I already built this application. I'm going to show you what I did. Here in pom.xml, I added Spring Boot starter web. That is the first dependency. Then ollama Spring Boot starter and Spring AI, OpenAI Spring Boot starter. Those are the three dependency I added. In application property, I have added the application name as DeepSeek and chat client enabled as false. And then these three properties related to Spring AI, OpenAI dependency, and this one is related to the Ollama, which is running in local. Let's go through the config. There are two beans I created. One is for connecting the uh, application, which is sorry. There are two beans we have. One is for connecting the DeepSeek API from the internet. Another one is for connecting the LLM, which is running in local. So I have used these two beans in my controller. The first controller, which will connect to the DeepSeek API in via internet. Currently, I don't have any balance, so it won't connect. But if you subscribe the API in DeepSeek, you are able to use it. But here I have a Ollama client, which is I can connect the same this URL from my local. So let's start this application. So once I started the application, it's running in port 8080. So I'm going here and I'm just typing how are you. So I'm getting a response from the Ollama uh, DeepSeek AI model. So if I need to, this is how we need to use the Ollama in local using a Spring Boot Java application. So we can have another prompt like which model you are. So it will provide the answers like that, right? Uh, Maybe this will helpful for you. Thank you for listening.